Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am with a maintenance video in which I want to show you how to change or clean air filter of KTM bikes. For that, first of all we have to remove the seats, that is the pillion seat and rider seat. First check what are the requirements. If you are changing the filter, you will require a new filter. It will cost 290 rupees. You will get it from the KTM service center spare parts. And you will be requiring only two tools, which is 8mm and 10mm box spanner or T-spanner. Now on to the process. First I will be removing the pillion seat with bike key. When you remove the pillion seat, you can see two bolts. I will be removing these bolts with the 10mm box spanner so that you can remove the rider seat. When you remove the rider seat, you can see the air filter box. To access the air filter, you have to remove the top cover of the air filter box. For that, you will require 8mm box spanner. After removing the bolts, just lift the cover. You can see the air filter inside the box. I'm gonna take the air filter from its box. You can see the air filter is dirty, so I want to change the air filter. If your air filter is not this much dirty, you can clean it and use it. You can use pressurized air to clean the air filter. You have to pass the air through this direction, not from this side, that is the opposite direction of air intake, not from the top, from the bottom side only. I'm gonna change my air filter with a new one because it's very dirty, so I will be using a new air filter. If you are cleaning the air filter, only use air to clean this type of air filter. Don't use water or something like that to clean this type of air filter. Now I have installed the new air filter in the air filter box. Next we gonna refit the air filter cover. There is a small lock behind the air filter cover. You have to insert the cover correctly onto that locks and you have to bolt the bolts. All the process is done. Now we have to do the steps reverse, that is you have to install the air filter cover, rider seat, pillion seat. From the video, you got the idea that it's very simple task. You don't have to go to the service center or to a mechanic to do the job. If you have proper tools with you, you can do it by yourself. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, keep smiling.